This is a fit for a 2014 through 2018 and possibly beyond KIA Forte 4-door sedan. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This system is using the JetStream load bars in silver, 50 inches in length, the BaseLine Towers, and the vehicle-specific BaseLine pad and clip set. In the front position, it is the BC 160. The crossbars are in a fixed position at 32 inches from front to rear, center to center. The BaseLine pad and clip set for the rear position is also BC 160. Maximum weight load capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.